All right. You all have met me, so we're going to do Speedrunning DevOps, what not to do in 5 minutes or less. You all are now representatives of a company. You're employees. And this ship needs to turn around. And so guess what? I am now your new CTO. Yeah, all right. We're really excited. I keep hearing about this thing called DevOps. And I think that's how we're going to fix everything. So the very, very first thing we're going to do is we're going to go out and we're going to buy DevOps. I've already talked with Microsoft, I think it's Microsoft, right? And I talked with CloudBees. We're going to pick something, we're going to implement it, it's going to be great. If I can get my narrator hat on. I'm now your narrator. You can't buy culture. It's not stuff. You need to do the people work first and the process. Okay. Now that we've implemented DevOps by buying it, because that's the perfect thing to do, I heard about all these buzzwords the last time I talked with all the CTOs. So you all are now the DevOps team. You all are now the SRE team. You all are all the platform engineering team. And you people in the back, I keep hearing about this thing called AI Ops. That's you. So now we have all these different teams. Guess what? Silos don't fix communication. Adding more teams won't do anything. So maybe don't do that? All right, now that we've done that, I keep hearing about like security and QA. This is called DevOps, which means it's just devs and ops. We don't need security. This company's not worth breaching, right? The whole idea of DevOps, and I'm gonna stop trying to put the hat on, is that everyone should be involved from the very beginning. That's the shift left idea. So, security, QA, marketing, everything is part of it. Okay, now that we've done all this different stuff, we need to make some shiny new dashboards. We're gonna have every metric under the sun, everything we can possibly measure. We're gonna make these dashboards. Our CEOs are gonna be so excited, so we're gonna spend the next 6 weeks building them. So, oh, my lines didn't come out. With over-measurement comes obsession. Know why you're picking the metrics that you do, and be able to tell a story around them. Otherwise, they're meaningless. So guess what? I went to a workshop last night, and I know I asked you to refactor last week and the week before and the week before and the week before, but this new tool is going to fix everything. So we're going to go refactor again. It is going to be perfect. Guess what? Fix your process first. Picking out a shiny new tool won't solve your problem. That is called shiny tool syndrome. Don't do it. Okay, now, we're gonna automate everything. And I mean everything, because that's DevOps, right? It's all automation. So not just our pipelines, maybe some code review, stuff like that, but we're gonna automate you drinking your coffee, like the Jetsons, right? This is gonna be perfect. DevOps isn't just about automation. And please don't automate me drinking my tea in the morning. I might chip my teeth. I think you figured this one out by now, as I lose my time. We don't need any titles. Everybody tells me that developers can do everything. So I know I just put you all on all those teams. Now you're all developers, and you're gonna own your infrastructure and your code and the marketing, all of it. Specialization helps. In the DevOps world, it's not about making everyone a generalist. It's about valuing all of the specialists that you're working with. Maybe, possibly. So, I hate to tell you folks, I had to call this all hands. We had a breach last night. Why did we fail? We did everything right. I can tell you why. You all failed me. The fact is that you need to build in and build up psychological safety. Failure breeds innovation. If you want to be able to fail safely, you can move faster. And that's kind of the idea. So really, folks, the road to DevOps hell, the toxic cultures, the toxic bosses, the stories that you tell the wide-eyed junior engineer asking you about what happened when, this road to DevOps hell is paved with your good intentions. Hit the brakes. Take a moment, think about what you're doing and why, and don't fall for shiny tool syndrome. Thanks.